Hello, my name is Tara Murray, and I am a University of New England Masters in Applied Nutrition candidate and presenting for the Society for Nutrition Education and Behavior Conference. And this is the relationship between childhood obesity and dietary fiber. Starting with the background of why I decided to choose this topic for research. So childhood obesity is an epidemic in the United States affecting about 14.7 million children and adolescents as of the year 2020. Obesity is defined as a body mass index at or above the 95th percentile on BMI for age growth charts. Over 340 million children and adolescents ages 5 to 19 years old were overweight or obese in the year 2016. The NHANES data shows that children do not consume the recommended amount of dietary fiber daily. The dietary reference intake for children ages 4 to 8 years old is 25 grams of fiber a day. For boys ages 9 to 13 years old, it is 31 grams of fiber a day. And for girls ages 9 to 13 years old, it is 26 grams of fiber a day. The overall objective for this research is to determine if there is a relationship between a child's BMI and dietary fiber intake. The demographics used in the data and research were American children of all ethnicities and backgrounds, children ages 5 to 10 years old, and males and females. The research question posed was, is there a difference in the BMI of American children ages 5 to 10 years old who consume a diet adequate in dietary fiber compared to those who lack dietary fiber intake in their diets? And here was our research evaluation timeline. We started with the implementation evaluation with our evaluator, Colleen Liscano, who is the manager and director of the nutrition department at Boston Children's Hospital. We then retrieved the data from the 2017 to 2018 NHANES for dietary fiber intake as well as BMI data. We put all of the data through Stata, looked it over and analyzed it. We then put it into our cohesive format and our research publication. So for methods, this was a secondary data analysis using the 2017 to 2018 National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. The eligible participants we had were 7,034. Data was downloaded and refined into the Stata software. The independent variable used in the analysis is dietary fiber, and the dependent variable used in the analysis is BMI. A Pearson's correlation analysis and a simple linear regression were done to test the association between these two variables. Results did show that there is a statistically significant positive relationship between children ages 5 to 10 years old BMI and their dietary fiber intake. Each age category is well under the dietary reference intake amount for dietary fiber intake. The p-value was less than 0.05. Here were some more results, and as you can see again, as previously mentioned, the p-value was 0.011, which is less than the 0.05, meaning that it is significantly positive relationship. And here are the results in a scatter plot graph. You can see we used the dietary fiber in grams and the child BMI, and here was our trend line. So to conclude the research, our results will be presented to schools and to pediatrician offices so that they can use these results accordingly to help children navigate their obesity, and we can help through increasing dietary fiber intake. School lunches should have more high fiber options available so that children can meet these DRI recommendations of fiber daily. And nutrition courses should be taught in schools so children can better understand their own nutrition and their goals. And here were the references that I used throughout the research. Thank you for listening, and please comment any questions that you may have.